Hello students, today we will discuss uh, the very important questions on capacitance. So let's start. The first question of this session is something like this. Like this. This is 5 microfarad. This is 10 microfarad. This is 2 microfarad. And this is 4 microfarad. And let's this is 5 microfarad. You have to find out the capacitance between nodes X and Y. Then how you will calculate it? First of all, before going to solve it, observe it very attentively. When you see, then you will find that this branch, if you plate this as like A B C D, then A B C D, branch AB and branch BC. Similarly, branch AD and branch CD. These are the balanced condition. What are the balanced condition? Balanced condition. And balanced condition, the capacitance across CAB upon CBC equal to CAD upon CDC. Meaning by that 5 by 10 equal to 2 by 4. That's why 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. It means this is a very balanced condition, and in balanced condition the current will not be flow in branch BD. It means branch BD, the 5 microfarad branch is a redundant branch. Redundant branch. And redundant branch is that branch in which no current will flow. So the circuit diagram will be reduced like this. This is 5 microfarad, this is 10 microfarad, this is 2 microfarad, and it is 4 microfarad. If you solve, these two elements are connected in series, upper elements, and similarly, so you write it X, A, B, C, right, and it is D. So 5 and 10 are connected in series, then series combination between A and C. What you will do? 1 by C1 equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. It means 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10. It means 3 by 10. Or you can say, write it as C1 equal to C1 equal to 10 by 3 microfarad. And the next branch, next, and what is next? This will mean A and C. So these two elements are also in series. And what you will do? You will see, add like this elements, capacitance will be branch A, B, C. 1 by C2 equal to 1 upon 2 microfarad plus 1 upon 4 microfarad. This will simply 2 plus 1 by 4 microfarad. You can see 4 by 3 microfarad. If you now the circuit diagram will reduce like this. Is the first one is 10 by 3, right? This is C1 10 by 3 microfarad, and it is C2 4 by 3 microfarad. It is X, it is Y. And you have to calculate because these two elements are in parallel, and for parallel elements equivalent simply you will add C1 plus C2 algebraic summation, and it is 10 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 14 by 3 microfarad. So the total and equivalent capacitance is 14 by 3 microfarad. So students, in this case, yeah, in this type of questions, you always have to remember, are very vigilant that first of all you will find out which one is a redundant branch, then your whole effort will be minimized. If you're going to solve this by a simple way, or we will, if unable to find this redundant branch, then it will become quite difficult to solve, or it will take more time. So first of all, in this type of question, you will recognize which branch is a redundant branch, then start to solve. It will minimize your effort and increase your speed, accuracy, and time management in examination hour. Let's see another question. Simply suppose that question is like this. This is 1 microfarad. This is 2 microfarad. This is again 1 microfarad. This is 2 microfarad. 1 microfarad. And this is 2 microfarad. And this series is going on up to infinite. And you have to calculate the equivalent capacitance of the circuit. Then how you will going to calculate it. So let us see how we will start, how we will approach this question. So in this question we are seeing that from here this whole ladder is going to repeat, right? So and it is going up to infinite. If we assume the total equivalent capacitance of the series of the ladder is capital C, right? Then this 1 and 2 microfarad capacitance will not affect it, right? So we can write it as for 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and this is simple, capital C, and this is like this, X and Y, right? Up here we have to solve the next question. If we start from here, then what will happen? This will happen that the current which will enter from this side will be divided into this, and the same will flow like this. It means that this and this are in series and this in parallel, and so see this are in series series combination. And for series combination we know very well that's 1 C1 equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by C. It means C plus 2 upon 2C. C1 equal to 2C upon C plus 2. Then the circuit diagram will going to reduce as X and Y, 1 microfarad, and this is 2C upon C plus 2, right? So these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel. So the total capacitance will be parallel. The parallel combination, but C equal to 1 plus 2C upon C plus 2. If you are going to solve it, then C into C plus 2 equal to C plus 2 plus 2C. What will happen? The equation becomes C square plus 2c equal to c plus 2 plus 2c. This and this will be cancelled out, and it becomes c square minus c minus 2 equal to 0. And you can solve this quadratic equation by like c square minus 2c plus c minus 2 equal to 0. Then if you take common c, then it becomes c minus 2, and you common 1, c minus 2 equal to 0. In one bracket c minus 2, in another bracket c plus 1 equal to 0. Then c is equal to 2 and c equal to minus 1. So the value of capacitors will not be negative, so we'll take the value c equal to 2 as the capacitance of the whole ladder. So we will write it as our answer, c equal to 2 microfarad is the capacitance of the whole ladder. So dear students, in this type of question, when certain portion of the ladder is going to repeat, what you have to do, first of all you have to recognize from which section the repetition takes place. And if you find out from where the repetition takes place, then assume it replaces certain capacitance, and then uh, solve as you solve which elements are in series and which elements are parallel, and in final you will assume the total capacitance of circuit equal to that, and then simply solve it. So it is a very, it is like a something a tricky question. Both are, and the first question is in which you have to find out the balanced condition, and in second you have to find out the repetition branch, and both questions will become very easy. So in this class we will stop here, and in next class we will solve more and more questions. So dear students, kindly share, subscribe and write your comment in comment section. Your feedback is very valuable for us. Thank you class.